Hi students, today we are going to understand the process more detail about concentration of ore. The last video I have told about the different steps available for concentration of the ore, different method available for the concentration of ore. Okay, in this video we are going to understand more about the method which is used for the concentration of the ore. First one is the hand picking. Already we told that hand picking is nothing but the ore material have to be grinded using a hammer, and from that we have to collect the gangue material, that is rocky type material. What is concentration of ore? Concentration of ore is the separation of the metal ore from rocky type material, that means from gangues. The first method for concentration of ore is hand picking. It is nothing but the removal of rocky material just by hand picking. Okay, these are the pictorial representation of the hand picking. And next method is gravity separation. Gravity separation is taking the advantage of the difference in the specific gravity of metallic ore and earthy impurities. Gravity separation is based upon the specific gravity difference between the metallic ore and earthy impurities. So for that, ore have to be ground and washed with a stream of water, and while washing this stream of water, ore material will be separated out, and the gangue material, which is lighter, will be going through the water. So for that gravity separation method, two methods are used. One is hydraulic classifier. Here we are discussing about the hydraulic classifier. In that hydraulic classifier, what we have to do means, this finely powdered ore have to be taken in a conical reservoir. This conical reservoir, and a powerful stream of water is applied from the bottom of the reservoir. Then that what will happen? The gangue, which is lighter, will be carried away by water, and heavier ore particle carried away by water, and heavier ore particle accumulate at the apex of this corner. We can see that here the gangue is carried away by water, and the heavier ore particle is concentrated at the this apex of this conical reservoir. And by this method we can remove the gangue and ore particle. The second method of gravity separation is Wilfley table. In that Wilfley table, what we have to do is, this ore particle have to be grinded, and this Wilfley table contain a wooden table having a slanting floor, and there will be some slit between this slanting floor, means some wooden strips is placed here and here. So there will be some slits will be formed, and heavier. Then what we have to do, the powdered ore with the stream of water have to be applied through this Wilfley table. What will happen? The heavier ore particles are obstructed by these cleats, that means slits, and while lighter ore particle will be removed by water. So the ore particle will be in the slits, and lighter gangue particle will be in the upper side, means below side of this Wilfley table. With the stream of water, it is going out. And next one is the method magnetic separation. In magnetic separation, we already told that the material which having the which can be attracted by magnet only can be removed by this method. For this method, what we have to do, a magnetic separator consists of two leather belt. A magnetic separator consists of two leather belt moving with two rollers. A magnetic separator consists of a leather belt. With two rollers. One which is magnetic. One roller is magnetic and other roller is non-magnetic roller. Then powdered ore is dropped onto the belt. At the end, what will happen? Magnetic pole is attracted by the magnetic roller poles near the roller. Here, the magnetic ingredients will be collected near the roller, and non-magnetic ingredient, that means the gangue particle, will be collected here in the other part. This is the magnetic separator. And next one is the electrostatic separation. In this method, we have already told that the gangue means the ore material containing mixed type of metals. The one metal is we can charged by electrostatic field, and other metal cannot be charged. In that method, what we have to do means grind the ore particle, and for the grounded ore particle through the electric field. What will happen? Due to this charged particle, it will drop out, means away from the roller. So the better conducted particle will be separated something far away from this electric field roller, and the pure conductor, that means earthy material and also other non-conducting material will be collected nearby the roller. This is the electrostatic separation. And next one is the froth flotation process. This froth flotation process basic principle is the preferential wetting of the solid by liquids, that we already seen that finely powdered ore is put in water and small quantity of oil is applied, and a stream compressed air will apply. That will happen. This oil, water and this metal or particle will form a froth or foam, and lighter gangue particle will be below the container with the water. So this foam can be collected from other side. So from that foam we can collect the ore particle, and earthy material will be in this water below the bottom of the container. And next one is the leaching. It is nothing but the chemical method. In that chemical method, powdered ore is treated with a suitable reagent that will be dissolved in that suitable reagent, and the earthy material will be separated out, filtered off, and we can separate out the earthy material. Thank you.